Hi, my name is Landon. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Arduino micro servo suite.
4 items.
You need to open up your Arduino app. Just wait for it to load. You're going to want to hit Files, Examples, scroll down to the very bottom, Servo, Suite. And close this window out, open this one. Once you've done this, copy all the code starting from here all the way down. Right. You're going to want to open your code tab, make sure it's set to text. Now you're going to paste all the code we just copied and delete all the other stuff. So you do this, and now your code's good. Once your thing is done, you should be able to click Start Simulation, and then you should be able to move this and move the arm over here. Mine's not working. I don't know why. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.